Picture this. It's 1979, dead of night, just after 3 a.m. NORAD, America's Air Defense Command, suddenly gets the alert they never wanted to see. Multiple enemy aircraft heading straight for U.S. soil. Within minutes, fighter jets are scrambling into the dark sky, and urgent calls are lighting up phones at the White House. Everyone's hearts are racing, thinking this is it, the real deal. But here's the crazy part. There wasn't a single enemy plane in the sky. The whole panic? It was triggered by someone accidentally loading a training simulation tape into the live system. Yeah, you heard that right. A simple mix-up almost kicked off World War III. It took someone finally double-checking the data to realize this massive mistake. Just think about that. One wrong tape in the wrong place at the wrong time, and we were seconds away from potential disaster. Makes you wonder what other near misses we've had in history, doesn't it? Sometimes the line between peace and chaos is thinner than we think.